December the 15th, 2024. 2:45 in the afternoon, 60 degrees. Just checked Athens weather. It's 42 in Athens, overcast, rainy. That's why we headed south. Oil heater's not working. I'm tired of smelling diesel fumes. US 301, US 25, Georgia 73, south. We'll be getting this from Claxton. We've just come through Claxton. We'll be getting it to Ludwig, 37 miles. So it'll be about a 40-minute video, maybe 45. We may not make it that long. We may make it to the next town, or we'll see. Southeasterly turn. And then when we turn right, we'll be going back southwest. Till we get to Jessup. Then if we go to Brunswick, we'll be headed southeast. Landing, we could stay there on the Omaha, or over a little bit further down at San Sevilla Sand Bluffs. Or if we want to do some fishing in Lake Morgan, we could stay there at that campsite at Lake Morgan, south of Ludwig. We'll just have to see what we want to do when we get to where we want to be, or whatever. The haze in the air, I've seen a couple of brush fires, or trash fires, where they cleared land and burning up the trash. Get at night. Honestly, about the only way we can make this stuff work for being on the road is if we stay free or almost dirt cheap, 10, 15 at the most a night. We're thinking about going to Trader Hill too. We could go on to Trader Hill from here, but I think we'll go to Brunswick. I want to take a look at that one-room rental tomorrow. Talk with the landlord. Then we'll be pretty free to do whatever we want to do, make a decision whether we want to rent it for 3 months or not. It's a 3-month lease with a deposit. And a 4-bedroom house, 2 other lizards are. Musgrave Highway. Gooseneck Community. We have 355,829 miles on the van now. So we put the engine in at 300,400 miles. Chicken. I think there's some onion fields down here too. Pecans. Van. We're hungry. Left our bread at the shop, Frank's. We're about half the way until we make our left turn towards southeast. Several, I don't know how many, but there are several of these 4-lane highways that cut Georgia from north to south. Awful lot of money. Somebody put a lot of money in their pocket. Glennville 5. We'll cut this off at Glennville. About a 15, well, it'll be 16, 17, I don't know, somewhere in there. I forgot how long we had it 5th State Prison. Beards Creek. Glennville city limits. We'll be turning this one off and starting another one shortly. Staying on 301, so I think we'll just be going straight through. South 169 detour. Crispy Chick. Marco's Pizza. Boy, I'd like to have some of their meatballs for dinner. Those are good. Dairy Queen slaw dog would be good, but a lot of times on the outskirts out here, the Dairy Queens don't have the slaw dogs. They'll have a chili dog. Up north, when I was in New Jersey, I don't think they even had the vanilla dipped chocolate cone. Or chocolate dipped vanilla, whatever you want. You know, y'all know what I mean, with that little curly cute pigtail on it. If I'm not mistaken, the man that developed that curly pigtail lived in Conyers, Georgia. Ludowici 21. So we will be turning this one off and then starting another one to go to Ludowici. That way we'll have 3 to upload when we from here to Ludowici. I mean from the 816 to Ludowici. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. It's just about out of town. And we'll start another one. Glennville to Ludowici. Bumblebee's moving slow this morning. They may have spent the night here on this flower. Waiting for the sun to warm him up, him or her.
Hang on, that sun will be here for too long. Warm you up where you can take off.